Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 5.3 question number 2. Classify each one of the following angles as right angles, a straight angle, obtuse angle or reflex angle. Right? First have to know what are the definitions of this rule. That is right angle is, here is the right angle. Right angle is 90 degree, RIGHT, right angle. Right angle is equal to 90 degree, right? Straight angle, straight straight angle is equal to 180 degree. Acute angle, acute angle, acute angle greater than 0 but less than 90 degree, that is less than 90 degree but greater than 0, that is acute angle. Obtuse angle, obtuse angle, angle is, obtuse angle is greater than 90, obtuse angle is greater than 90 but less than 180 degree. Greater than 90 but suppose x is obtuse angle, then it is greater than 90 degree but less than 180 degree, that is obtuse angle. Reflex angle, reflex angle is, reflex angle, reflex angle is, suppose x is a reflex angle, then it should be greater than 180 degree but less than 360 degree. These are various definitions of angles, right? Now 1a, 1a you can see here that if we measure this angle is less than 90 degree, that we can say it as acute angle, right? A is acute angle. Acute angle. B you see, B is if I draw a right angle triangle, right? This is right angle number 90 degree. That means it is greater than 90 degree, right? But less than 180 degree. Therefore, you can say it to be as obtuse angle, right? This is obtuse angle. Obtuse angle. And see, as you see here, this angle is straight. Therefore, you can say it to be as right angle. Right angle. Now, question number D. Question number D, you see this angle. This angle, it is 90 degree. Here you see, this angle is 90 degree. And this angle means 360 minus 90, right? That is 360 degree minus 90 degree. 0, 270 degree, right? Then this angle is 270 degree. 270 degree, 270 degree. That means this is greater than 180 degree but less than 360 degree. Therefore, it is known as a reflex angle. Question D is reflex angle. This is reflex angle. Reflex angle. This is reflex angle. And you see this now. Next angle is, see this one, angle E. Angle E, you see that this angle, actually this angle is a straight angle or 180 degree. Here you see that this angle is straight angle or 180 degree, 180 degree. Therefore, you can say that this is a straight angle. A straight angle. And here If you see that this is less than 90, both angles are less than 90 degree, therefore we call them as acute angle. F is acute angle. Acute angle. Right? This is the solution of question number 2. Exercise 5.3. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. And also press the notification bell so that you will get the uploaded videos immediately.